In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link my email with Brevo. This process is important because it helps Brevo verify that you control the email address you want to use. Once it is linked and confirmed, you can send and manage messages with confidence. To begin, open your Brevo account and head to your account settings. You can usually find account settings by looking for your profile icon, name, or a settings option in the main navigation. After you open settings, you will want to locate the area labeled Senders and IP. Take a moment to ensure you are in the correct section, because this is where Brevo manages the sender identities that are allowed to send emails. Now that you have reached Senders and IP, look for a section or menu item that says Senders. From there, select the option to add a sender. The goal of this step is to create a new sender entry tied to your email address. When you click Add a Sender, the screen should switch to a form where Brevo asks for the sender details. Next, enter your email address into the field provided. Make sure you type it carefully and double-check for any mistakes before you proceed. If you are using an address that you already have access to, this confirmation step will be straightforward. Take your time here because using the correct email is what allows the confirmation message to reach you. After you enter the email address, the next part is to confirm it through your inbox. Brevo will send a confirmation email to the address you entered. So switch to your email account and open your inbox. Depending on your email provider, the message may appear immediately or it may take a little time to arrive. While you wait, it can also help to look for a message from Brevo or check any folders that might hold automated mail. Once you find the confirmation email, open it and look for the confirmation link inside. The link is usually clearly labeled as a confirmation or verification link. This is the step that actually activates the sender entry, so you should not skip it. When you are ready, click the confirmation link provided in the email. After clicking the confirmation link, return to your Brevo account and allow the page a moment to update if it does not update automatically. In many cases, you will see that the sender is now confirmed or added successfully. If the interface shows a status message, read it carefully so you know the confirmation has been completed. At this point, the email address is linked with Brevo through the confirmation process you just performed. This helps ensure that your sender identity is verified and that your email sending setup matches the requirements of the platform. To wrap things up, you navigated to Senders and IP in your account settings, selected Senders and Add a Sender, entered your email address, checked your inbox for the confirmation email, and clicked the confirmation link. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.